Hey little buddies, let's read The Baby Elephant on a Picnic. The baby elephant has a lovely idea. She plans to take her parents for a surprise picnic. She gets down to work. She gets hold of a basket and a colorful blanket. The baby elephant then gathers sugarcane, lettuce, apples, hay and acacia leaves. She keeps them in the first basket. The baby elephant knows that elephants drink lots of water. She fills her other basket with pots of water. With her things set, the baby elephant reaches the picnic spot and puts everything in place. See? The same afternoon, the baby elephant asks her mother and father for a walk down the jungle. Parents agree with the baby elephant leading the way. They reach the beautiful picnic spot. The parents cannot believe their eyes. They are surprised. And that's what baby elephant wanted.